Here's some lunar eclipses trivia. Subscribe. What phase of the moon causes this type of eclipse? Is it A, full moon, B, new moon, C, waxing crescent, or D, waning gibbous? The correct answer is A, full moon. Which shadow is cast during a lunar eclipse? Is it A, antumbra, B, penumbral shadow, C, umbra, or D, penumbra? The correct answer is C, umbra. What is the term for the Earth's outer shadow? Is it A, penumbra, B, dark area, C, light band, or D, shadow zone? The correct answer is A, penumbra. Which event is the name for a total lunar eclipse? Is it A, blood moon, B, supermoon, C, harvest moon, or D, new moon? The correct answer is A, blood moon. Which celestial body is visible during a lunar eclipse? Is it A, Sun, B, Mars, C, Venus, or D, Moon? The correct answer is D, Moon. What type of eclipse can only occur at night? Is it A, total eclipse, B, partial eclipse, C, solar eclipse, or D, lunar eclipse? The correct answer is D, lunar eclipse. What event occurs when an eclipse is visible from a wider area? Is it A, global, B, total, C, local, or D, partial? The correct answer is A, global. Which eclipse is often confused with solar eclipses? Is it A, lunar, B, eclipse of 1994, C, solar flare, or D, eclipse of 1985? The correct answer is A, lunar. What scientific instrument can help observe a lunar eclipse? Is it A, stethoscope, B, camera, C, telescope, or D, microscope? The correct answer is C, telescope. What phenomenon follows a lunar eclipse in the sky? Is it A, meteor shower, B, set, C, supernova, or D, solar flare? The correct answer is B, set. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.